A pre-owned 2018 BMW X5 xDrive35i. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This BMW has less than 206,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 18 miles per gallon in the city and 24 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power, door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.